If you have weak blenders that leave chunky smoothies and struggle with frozen ingredients or ice crushing, this Ninja Professional Blender delivers 1000 watts of professional power with total crushing technology that pulverizes ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. The unique triple tiered blade system creates restaurant quality smoothies and frozen drinks every time. The 72-ounce pitcher handles family sized batches with ease, while the BPA free construction ensures safe food contact. The dishwasher safe components make cleanup effortless. 4 speed settings provide precise control for everything from gentle mixing to aggressive ice crushing. Stainless steel blades maintain their sharpness through heavy use, delivering consistent performance.